Assalamualaikum. Hi kids. Let's do revision today. It's the end of our module 5. Okay, for this activity, please refer to your workbook, page 46. Okay, in order for you to answer this question, you have to identify whether the subject that you're talking about is countable or uncountable. Okay, look at the first one here. Okay, we have water. Okay, water, air. So can you count the water? Is it countable or uncountable? Good, it's uncountable. So if it's uncountable, then you use how much. Okay, so you write here, how much. How much water do you drink every day? Okay, so you just complete number 1 to number 5 for the first one here. Okay, for this one, later on we'll do it together, but for now I want you to complete number 1 to number 5 for how much or how many. Okay, so what about number 2, hours, jam. Boleh kira tak jam? Boleh kira jam. Contoh, tidur pukul 9, bangun pukul 6 pagi. Boleh kira tak berapa jam? Okay, so if you can count it, then it's countable. Kalau boleh kira countable, so we use how many. Okay? Okay. So water, you cannot count the water, so you use how much. But for hours, you can count the hours, right? So how many? Okay. What about chocolate bars? Boleh kira tak? Fruits, buah. Boleh kira? Okay. So decide first whether the subject is countable or uncountable so that you know you want to use how many or how much. Okay. So do it now. Have you done number 1 to number 5? Okay, so now let's move on to this one. Okay, answer about yourself. Okay, just now you have written this. Okay, how many and how much. Okay, look at number 1. Okay, water. Can you count the water? No, so it's uncountable. So your answer should be how much. Okay, let's read. How much water do you drink every day? Setiap hari, berapa banyak air kita minum? So how do you measure it? Okay, for that one, maybe you can refer to your workbook, page 43, for the measurement of these things. Okay, maybe for water, you can use cup or maybe glass, up to you. So you just write here, maybe you want to write 5 glasses of water, or maybe you want to say you can also use cups if you want, or maybe you can use bottle or liter. Okay, up to you. Okay, any measurement will do as long as you know how much water you drink every day. Okay, so what about hours? Okay, hours just now, can you count the hours? Yes, you can count it. So how many? So how many hours do you sleep every night? So you count. If you slept at 10, then from 10 to 6 o'clock in the morning, count how many hours. And then you write here, okay? Maybe you can write 5 hours like this. 5 hours every night, 7 hours every night. Okay, you just write it here, okay? So for the rest, you think of other measurement and write it here, okay? So good luck. Okay, for this one, look at page 46 in your workbook. Okay, let's read together first and then we circle. Okay, what food do vegetarians eat? Read and circle. Okay, vegetarians. What is vegetarians? Vegetarians ni orang yang dia tak makan sumber ternakan. Okay, tak makan daging, tak makan ayam, tak makan benda yang berdarah. Okay, so let's read. What food do vegetarians eat? Okay, you have to circle the food that vegetarians eat. Okay, let's read the first one. Some people don't eat meat and fish. They are called vegetarians. Okay, orang yang tak makan ikan dan makanan berdaging, kita panggil mereka vegetarians. Okay. Some of them thinks it's not healthy to eat meat or fish. Sebab mereka ingat macam tak sihat lah. Others think it's bad to eat animals. Ada setengahnya kata macam tak elok lah makan haiwan. Okay, vegetarians eat cereal, pasta, rice, beans, fruits and vegetables. They also eat cheese and yogurt and they drink a lot of milk. Okay, mereka minum banyak susu, okay? Many people around the world are vegetarians. In the US, 3% of the people are vegetarians. Okay, so now you have to circle all the foods, okay, that vegetarian eats. So, can you do it? Okay, let's find the first one. Cereal. Which one is cereal? Okay, then you circle, okay? You circle one by one, okay? You circle all. You underline and circle, okay? Then the next one, you underline first and then you circle, okay? So, complete this. Okay, circle all the food that vegetarians eat. Okay, it's the last task for you. I want you to refer to your workbook, page 47, and say the food, say the tableware. Okay, you say it first. Okay, for example, pear. Okay, then you spell here, P-E-A-R. Okay. Okay, if you can spell it correctly, then you tick, and then only you tick here. Okay. Don't forget to cover the word first before you write. Okay. Okay, so fish. Okay, then you cover the word first and then you write here and then you check. If the spelling is correct, then you tick. Okay. So do the same for number 1 to number 5 for the food and the tableware. Okay. Do the same for this one. Activity 3. Read and spell and then tick. Okay. Okay, for number 4, you just have to say, okay, there are some biscuits. Okay, if you can say it correctly, so you tick. There are some biscuits. There isn't any juice. How many hours do you sleep every day? How much milk do you drink every day? Okay, it's done. So don't forget to complete all the tasks for today. So see you in the next lesson. Bye.